Something unusual is happening behind the scenes at Apple. Long before the iPhone 17e has even finished reaching customers, the company is already moving ahead with early development plans for iPhone 18e. According to a report from the Chinese platform Weibo, well-known tipster Fixed Focus Digital claims Apple has already finalized early planning for the iPhone 18e. That revelation is surprising because the Apple iPhone 17e has only just opened for pre-orders and is still gradually rolling out across global markets. Normally, Apple focuses on the current product cycle before moving to the next, but this leak suggests the company may already be accelerating development of its future entry-level iPhones. The reason appears to be a major shift in Apple's budget strategy. For many years, Apple relied on the Apple iPhone SE and discounted older models to attract new users into the ecosystem. That approach worked, but those devices often looked outdated compared to flagship models. The newer E lineup seems designed to solve that problem. If the leaks are accurate, the iPhone 18e could be the moment when that strategy fully takes shape. Performance could play a huge role in making the device stand out. Early information suggests the iPhone 18e may run on Apple's next-generation Apple, a 20 chip. If that happens, the cheaper iPhone would still deliver performance close to flagship models. Apple has followed this strategy for years by placing extremely powerful chips inside lower-priced iPhones, so they remain fast for 4 or even 5 years. That long-term performance advantage is one of the reasons older iPhones often continue running smoothly, while many high-end Android phones slow down much earlier. But the most noticeable change may not be the processor, it could be the design. The current iPhone 17e still relies on the older wide-notch display that Apple has been gradually moving away from. The company originally planned to introduce Dynamic Island on the 17e, but those plans were reportedly cancelled late in development as Apple reconsidered its broader strategy. New reports now suggest the iPhone 18e could finally receive Dynamic Island. If that happens, the device would instantly look far closer to Apple's premium models, narrowing the visual gap that Apple has historically kept between cheaper iPhones and its Pro lineup. This leak also reveals something interesting about Apple's release strategy. Reports suggest the iPhone 18e could launch in spring 2027, alongside the standard Apple iPhone 18. Meanwhile, the fall lineup might focus on premium devices such as the iPhone 18 Pro, iPhone 18 Pro Max, and the long-rumored iPhone Fold. Splitting launches across seasons would keep Apple in the spotlight throughout the year. If this plan moves forward, the iPhone 18e may launch around spring 2027 with an estimated starting price somewhere near the current entry-level range, likely between $599 and $699. Depending on storage for Apple, the device could quietly redefine what a budget iPhone looks like in the years ahead. That's all for now. See you again in the next update. Goodbye.